Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing our do's and don'ts series, and this time we are putting our shading techniques into actions. So far we have covered both basic and advanced pencil shading methods, so now we are going to apply those skills to a simple leaf drawing to see the difference. Okay, so let's start with a basic leaf outline on both those sides. Wait. Oh no, hold a second. I just realized I drew the wrong outline in the do's column. I actually had a little mix up, but instead of erasing it, I'm going to leave it as it is. I think it's actually make a little more interesting. The positions may be switched, but I will guide you through everything properly. So just to follow the explanations, not the columns, okay? So now let's back for the coloring. So this is something a lot of beginners do. They just drew the outline of the leaf and fill it with one solid green color. So if you are shading your leaf like this, it might seem quick, simple and easy, but the end results looking up very flat and dull. So don't do like this. Alright, so even though they have flipped, we will still go ahead and apply the correct shading techniques on the right column. So let's start by drawing a rough outline of the leaf using a regular pencil. We will make sure to leave a little space between the lines. It seems more good and realistic. So after the rough drawing, we will move towards coloring. Now pick up your dark green pencil. Start shading gently from both the inner edges of the leaf, the left side and the right side, working slightly inward. Use light pressure at first and gradually build it up. We want a nice rich color. This part is all about gradient blending. So as we move towards the center of the leaf, we will slowly lighten the pressure on our dark green pencil. Now it's time to bring our light green pencil. So start where the dark green fades and gently blend in, pulling the color towards the center. Use small circular back and forth strokes to make the transition smooth as possible. Alright, here's something a lot of us end up doing this, especially when we are just starting out. So to avoid that, here I am adding yellow lines in the center to show the veins of the leaf. Instead of keeping it this simple, we can easily make the leaf look much more natural and dimensional. So by using 3-4 colors like light green, dark green, yellow, and even we can use black color if needed. To make it natural, I am using dark green and black to outline the edges for a bit of contrast. See the leaf we have done on the left side, that is quite flat and look cartoonish. So there is no sense of depth or no smoothness of shading. So to overcome that, by using just 3-4 colors, we can bring the painting to life. And that's it. Our leaf painting using do's and don'ts is complete. You can clearly see the difference between the two sides, how simple changes in techniques, shadings and color choices can completely transform your drawing. I hope this video helped you to understand the little things that makes a big difference. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.